Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Greenlight, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Greenlight app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log in to your new account. Begin the setup process by adding your child as a user. Input your child's name, age, and other required details. Next, link your bank account to fund your Greenlight account. Decide how much you want to load into your child's account. Select the options for automatic allowance if you'd like to set a recurring payment. Now, navigate to the budgeting section within the app. Explore the available categories for budgeting, such as savings, spending, and giving. Assign a specific amount to each category based on your family's financial goals. Set up goals for your child, like saving for a toy or an event. Encourage them to track their spending within the app. Review transactions regularly to ensure they're sticking to their budget. Use the app's Insights feature to analyze spending habits. Discuss these insights together and adjust budgets as needed. Teach your child about the importance of saving by setting aside funds for future needs. Utilize the app to transfer money easily between categories or accounts. Make sure to celebrate your child's budgeting successes to keep them motivated. Finally, regularly revisit the budget with your child to adapt to changing financial situations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.